Okay, so I need to tell you what happened at work last week because my manager has not looked at me the same way since.
What did you do?
She walked into the office. It was freezing. The AC was on full blast. She looked at me and said, "Logan, can you turn it down?"
Okay.
So I walked over to the AC and I turned it off.
You turned it off?
Completely off. Gone. I came back feeling very helpful, and she just stared at me.
She wanted less cold, not no cold.
She wanted less. Turn it down. I thought down meant off. Like down, finished, gone, bye-bye.
And if you'd gotten that wrong at a customer service job, on the phone with a client, or talking to your landlord about the heat.
Oh no.
Yeah. Welcome to Easy English with PJ. I'm PJ, this is Logan, and we are not leaving today until turn down, turn off, turn up, and turn on all make complete sense.
Please, I have been wrong about at least 2 of these for 3 years.
Okay, turn down first, because that's what got you. Here's the picture. Imagine a dial, like a volume knob on a speaker, or a thermostat on the wall. When you turn it down, the dial moves lower. The sound gets quieter. The temperature goes down. But it doesn't disappear. It's still on, just smaller.
So turn it down means reduce it.
Reduce it. Less. Not gone. Your manager wanted the AC at a lower level, not off.
Turn it down. Less.
Now, completely different situation. Same phrase. Sophia from Mexico applied for a job at a hotel in Chicago. She had great experience, good English. The manager called her back 2 days later. He said, "I'm sorry, Sophia. We're going to turn you down."
Turn her down.
What does that mean?
He said no?
He said no. When someone turns you down, they rejected you. A job application, an apartment, a loan at the bank. If they turn you down, the answer is no.
So turn down can mean reduce something or decline something.
Context tells you which one you're dealing with.
Okay. Turn down. Less or decline. Got it.
Now the opposite. Turn up.
More?
Now turn up. For volume and temperature, yes, it's the opposite of turn down. The music at the restaurant is too quiet. You ask the waiter, "Could you turn it up a little?" Same dial, going the other direction. More.
Turn it up. More.
But the volume meaning and the next meaning are completely separate. They don't connect, so don't try to link them. Turn up also means to appear, to show up somewhere, especially when nobody was expecting it.
Wait. Appear?
Minho from South Korea had a plumber coming to fix a leak on Tuesday. The plumber said 9 o'clock. Minho waited. 9 came. 9:30 came. The plumber never turned up.
The plumber didn't show.
He never turned up. No call, no message. Just didn't appear.
Oh, that's useful. I would have said he didn't come or he didn't show up.
Most English learners reach for show up first, and that's completely natural. Americans say show up a lot, but you'll also hear turn up, especially when someone was expected and didn't appear. It carries a little extra feeling, like, where were you?
Right. A little frustrated.
Exactly. Now, if your old friend from back home turns up at your door on a Saturday with no warning,
He appeared. Nobody expected him.
he turned up. Picture someone walking through a door you didn't expect to open. That's turn up.
I like that. An unexpected door. Okay. Turn on. Start something. I had this one.
You do have the first meaning. Turn on the lights. Turn on the computer. Turn on the coffee machine before anyone else gets to the office. You're starting it, activating it.
Yes, that one I knew.
But turn on has a second meaning, and this one matters a lot at work. When someone turns on you, they switch sides. They go from being with you to being against you.
Against me?
Yuki from Japan worked at a small company for 2 years. She and a coworker were friendly. They had lunch together and helped each other out. Then a manager position opened up. Suddenly, that coworker started saying things about Yuki's work in meetings that weren't true. She turned on Yuki.
She went from being on her side to being against her.
In one move, like a switch flipping. That's exactly the picture. She turned on Yuki.
I've seen that. I didn't have the words for it.
Now you do. And one quick note. You might hear turn on used to mean something else in movies or TV. That's a different meaning for a different episode. For now, at work, in daily life, turn on someone means they switched against you.
Got it. Work safe meaning only.
Last one. Turn off.
Stop something. Turn off the lights. Turn off the engine.
Exactly right. The opposite of turn on. The switch goes back. And just like turn on, it has a second meaning. When something turns you off, it kills your interest completely.
Like the long wait at that DMV office really turns me off from going back.
Perfect. You're saying your interest went from on to off, completely. And that's totally safe at work, by the way. Very different energy from the other meaning.
Good to know.
Okay, so here's the thing that connects all four. Imagine two objects, a dial and a switch. That's it. Turn down and turn up. Those are dials. The dial moves. Things get more or less, but they don't disappear. Turn on and turn off. Those are switches. The switch flips. Things start completely or stop completely.
Dials go part way. Switches go all the way.
That's the whole thing right there.
Dials go part way. Switches go all the way. I'm writing that on my desk.
Okay, real situations.
Go.
Sophia is back at the doctor's office. The TV in the waiting room is so loud she can't hear the receptionist calling her name. What does she say?
Excuse me, could you turn that down?
Perfect. Less, not off. Minho is on the phone with his bank. He applied for a credit card last week. The banker says, "I'm sorry, Mr. Kim. We've decided to turn down your application."
They said no to his credit card.
Right. What does Minho say?
Could you tell me why you turned me down? Is there something I can do differently?
That's a calm, professional answer. You're at a restaurant, and the music is so quiet you can barely hear it.
Could you turn it up a little?
Exactly. More, not all the way up. Now the repair technician who promised to come at 9.
He never turned up.
Right, he never showed. You get to the office first, and everyone else will be there in 5 minutes. What's one thing you might do?
Turn on the lights. Maybe the coffee machine.
Perfect. Start it. Activate it. Yuki thought her coworker was her friend. Then the manager position opened up, and that coworker started attacking her in meetings.
She turned on Yuki.
Exactly. One switch. Friend to enemy. The meeting is over, and everyone is leaving for the day.
Turn off the lights.
Perfect. Stop it completely. And after waiting 4 hours at the DMV,
That experience really turned me off from going back.
Exactly. Your interest switched off. 8 situations, 4 phrasal verbs, every meaning used correctly without stopping to think. That's exactly where you want to be. Now we want to hear from you. What's the phrasal verb that confused you most when you started learning English? Not just turn, any of them. Drop it in the comments.
I'm definitely not alone in this. You know what's funny? I've been using turn on and turn off correctly with electronics for years. Lights, computers, TV, no problem.
Right.
But the second it moved off the physical thing, a person, a feeling, a situation, I lost it completely.
That's the gap. The dial and the switch are still there. You just can't see them anymore.
Next time my manager says turn it down, I know exactly what to do.
What are you going to do?
Find the dial. Make it less. Not off. Never off again.
That's it. Dials go part way. Switches go all the way. Once you know which one you're holding, you'll always know which way to turn it.
And if I get turned down for anything else, at least now I know what happened.
If this helped you, share it with someone who's ever walked over to the wrong thing at the wrong moment. And subscribe, because there are a lot more dials and switches in American English. We're going to work through all of them.
Dials go part way. Switches go all the way. That's the one I'm keeping.
American English doesn't come with labels on the knobs, but once you know which one you're holding, you'll always know which way to turn it. We'll see you next time.